This is going to be a Q&A about
Question and answer.
best friends.
We're cousins actually, but
Yep. So, Caesar, can you tell me what Colin's favorite color is?
his favorite color is
my original one, my first one.
His favorite color is blue. Colin, is that true?
Nope.
Okay, don't give us the answer. Colin, what is Caesar's favorite color?
Gold?
it's red.
Okay, don't tell the answer. Is that right or wrong?
Oh, it's red.
It's wrong.
Okay.
It's not red. So.
Can you tell me the day, the month and day of Colin's birthday?
April 25th.
And Colin, can you tell me Caesar's?
It's like June 9th. Isn't it?
Close.
Oh, wow, a month away.
Okay. Can you tell me the first and last name of Colin's dad? Colin, can you tell me the first and last name of Caesar's mom?
Kong Gorilla.
No, it's Emma Jean. No.
Yeah, that's right. Yep.
Emma Song.
Okay. Can you tell me the first and last name of one of Colin's uncles?
David. No.
Just say.
David.
David's first name is Drew.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Angel.
David what? What's David's last name?
Moore.
Okay, Colin, tell me the first and last name of one of Caesar's uncles.
Landon used a rocket jump to attack.
I don't really mean his uncle.
Hey, Zeus.
It might be the same uncle that you have.
Oh, Jumon.
Yep.
Jumon.
Okay, tell me somebody that shares the same blood as both of you guys.
You.
Nope.
Mom, my mom.
No, there's somebody in our family that shares the same blood
Grandma.
as Caesar and as Colin.
Azzy.
Okay. Yeah.
Who? Colin, you know the answer.
You know, you said
We talked about this.
Athena.
Yeah.
So you gonna talk to Colin about that, but you don't talk
A long time ago, me and Colin had that conversation. Okay.
No.
Caesar, can you tell me what Colin's favorite food is?
Pho. No, not pho.
I
Not
covered
pho.
for guys a lot of stuff.
I'm just gonna say pho.
Okay, Colin, is that right or wrong? Don't give us the answer, just say right or wrong. Okay, Colin, what's Caesar's favorite food? It's easy, because he tells us all the time.
I love it. I even eat it at your
Isn't
house.
it burritos?
No.
Oh,
remember
fuck.
No.
No. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember when I played with Todd?
Oh,
Played
right.
Do it in water like die.
Okay,
So bad for high.
tell me, Caesar, tell me what size shoes Colin wears.
Grown-up shoes.
What size is that? What number?
Number 8.
Okay, Colin, tell me Caesar's.
You should
What?
Just give me a number.
10.
10? No. Okay.
Not even close.
I don't even think you guys know.
I do. I know mine.
His feet are just smaller than
Mine's just
mine.
6.
Oh, what size do you wear, Colin? Do you know?
Like, you're like
5
5 with 7.
Oh,
5 or
okay.
7.
Okay. All right. Can you tell me the name of somebody at Caesar's school? Anybody that you might have heard him talk about?
Jason.
Is that true, Jason? Or is that true, Caesar?
No, that's not true.
Okay, Caesar, give me a name of somebody at Colin's school
I put him a lot of
that he might have talked about before.
I remember that day.
Miss Peterson.
No, not Miss Peterson. No, not Jason. I mean, who do you mix me up? The guy that with the hot.
No.
I don't know.
Wrong.
Okay. Okay, guys. Does Colin prefer chocolate or vanilla?
Oh, I know what that is.
Tell me the answer.
It is vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, Colin, does Caesar like chocolate or vanilla?
Okay. Oh, chocolate vanilla too?
Okay.
You usually choose chocolate.
Is Caesar scared of zombies or ghosts? Only choose one. So, Colin, what do you think? Do you think zombie or ghost?
Ghost.
Okay, Caesar?
I'm scared of none.
You have to choose one.
No, Caesar's scared of zombies.
I'm not.
Caesar is scared of zombies.
Well, because if you play fake Slender, he always just.
Oh, okay. Yep. So.
But Colin peed his pants at the house, so it's fine.
Okay, Caesar? Is Colin scared of zombie or ghost?
Thank zombies.
Colin?
You're scared of
You're more
ghosts?
scared of ghosts?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You guys need to know. You guys gotta know that about each other. Okay. If you ran 100 miles, who would win first? Do you think Caesar or Colin? Okay, what about swimming? What about singing? Colin?
No, I think Taiwan.
No.
Cause I have singing.
I have a better voice. I know more songs.
Yeah, that's true. Colin knows more songs.
You know more songs, but I have a better voice.
What's ice cream?
Grudge.
I knew it was me.
Okay. Okay. When it comes to video games, who knows the most games?
Me.
Colin?
Yes.
Me. What? Why?
Okay. Hey.
Ow. Ow.
Hey. Can you tell me what Colin's teacher's name is?
Well, you can pick any.
Oh,
Just take a guess.
Mr. Homie.
No.
Okay, Colin, what do you know Caesar's teacher's name?
And oh my
Can
God.
I tell
Take a
Caesar
guess.
all the teachers' names?
Just
I'll
take
tell
a
you all
guess.
my teacher's name. Oh.
Take a guess. Colin, take a guess.
What?
Okay. Colin, tell me what school Caesar goes to. Tell me what school. What's the name of the school?
He's named after
Caesar,
a very,
quiet.
No, he's named after a very famous person.
Colin, tell me what school. You can take a guess.
That's hard.
Okay, Caesar, tell me what school Colin goes to.
Oh my God, that's hard. I'll try to guess. Pinching?
Okay.
I don't know. Your school's in St. Paul.
Okay.
Hard.
Can you tell me what Colin's middle name is?
I don't know. I didn't even know he had a middle name.
Colin, can you tell me what Caesar's middle name is?
This is nature. This is nature thing. Oh, snap.
It's not nature at all, Colin, actually.
Oh, it's not?
No, it's not.
Oh,
It's someone about bleach.
You don't know it?
Bleach?
Bleach is a thing. My dad named me.
After Bleach?
No, not bleach. It's not
Oh.
bleach. It's some character in bleach.
Oh.
What?
You don't know
Some
bleach.
character in Bleach?
Do you know about bleach?
Okay, reveal what your middle name is, Caesar.
Cloud.
Oh, really?
What is your middle name?
Wait, like the
Yeah.
nature thing?
Tell him.
Oh, son. My real middle name?
Yeah, your real middle name.
What's your real middle name?
Cloud.
Really?
Tell him what your...
His real middle name.
So, Caesar, you're known as the sun, and you're known as the cloud.
His real name is Keo.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's Keo. Colin, what's your long name?
I don't
Ling
have.
and Dueling.
Okay.
Cody's is Chifang.
No, it's not.
No, it's Chimeng.
Oh, Chifang. Chifang.
I
don't know
two
my-
types 'cause
You said it
No.
perfectly.
Kia?
No, Cody's middle name.
Chimeng.
Yep. Okay, next.
I don't have a mug name. Boy.
Next, can you give me the initials of Colin's dad's name?
Oh,
Initials only.
K. M.
Give me the initials of Caesar's mom's name.
EX.
Good job, guys.
EX.
Okay.
EXE. EXE.
You use his English name.
Yep.
Gong Ping Mo.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, That's the next question.
Oh.
Give me the middle name of Colin's dad.
I don't know. I don't even know.
What?
He just said it.
Oh, Gong.
Give me the middle name.
Boa.
Say it again.
Bing.
Yep. Okay, Colin.
No, he said with the B.
Colin. Colin, give me the middle name of Caesar's mom.
Oh, well, my dad has a middle
It's
name.
easy. It's easy.
What? Fine. Oh. What?
She doesn't have a middle name, right?
Yeah, she does.
She does?
It's
Pack.
the name that everybody calls her.
Oh,
Mom?
Haley.
Yep. Yep.
I have a big leg now.
Okay, guys. This is it, guys. We're done. We're done.
Yeah.
We're done with this.
No.
Say bye.
No.
Give each other a hug to prove that you are best friends.
Yo.
Okay, I got a deadline.